The best thing for me today was the time to self-reflect and have the opportunity to understand myself a lot better in order for me to lead my team but also be part of the community.
They have been challenged to think differently in their roles and to understand that they do matter and that they are the most important or some of the most important people within our organisation. By doing training like this, it has helped them understand that.
Do the course, it's fantastic. It makes you feel alive as a person. It makes you feel that you can achieve your goals, and sometimes you are your worst enemy, and therefore knowing that that's a block and helping yourself overcome that it's quite liberating.
Doing the goal setting and breaking it down made our goals really achievable. Being able to talk in a group about the obstacles that may come up and having that group sense of being able to workshop it and draw on other people's skills and things like that were really beneficial to be able to see how we could achieve it.